The Russian armed forces continued to strike against military facilities in Ukraine 13th July 2022. High-precision sea-based caliber missiles destroyed multiple rocket launcher vehicles of 45th Artillery Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine hidden in hangars at the high-voltage equipment plant in Zaporizhzhia city. In addition, high-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces destroyed 4 command posts, including those of 61st Infantry Jaeger Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Berenovostovoye in Nikolaev region, and 80th Airborne Assault Brigade near Kramatorsk, 3 ammunition depots near Soledar, Tatyunovka in Donetsk People Republic in Nikolaev region, 1 field storage facilities for military equipment near Kharkov, and 21 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. As part of the counter-battery fighting, 1 battery of the multiple rocket launcher near Slavyansk, 1 platoon of multiple rocket launcher system near Nikolaev in Donetsk People Republic, and 1 artillery platoon of United States-made M777 howitzers and firing position in Perfomaisky in Kharkov region was destroyed. Operational, tactical, and army aviation, missiles, troops, and artillery hit 19 command posts, 78 areas of artillery units in firing position, and 232 areas of armed forces of Ukraine manpower and military equipment concentration. Russian Aerospace Forces fighters have shot down 2 aircraft of Ukrainian Air Forces in the air, 1 Su-25 near Slavyansk and 1 MiG-29 near Troitskoye, Donetsk People Republic. Russian air defense destroyed 12 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles near Balakleya, Izyum, Lozovaya, Shuhurovka in Kharkov region, Snigerevka, Novaya Kharkovka in Kherson region, Bologorovka, Karmazinovka, Slavino-Sevets, Mykolaievka in Lugansk People Republic, and Derilovo in Donetsk People Republic. In addition, 2 Torskayu ballistic missiles and 6 rockets of Uragan multiple rocket launcher system were intercepted near Novaya Karnovka in Nikolaev region. In total, 249 Ukrainian aeroplanes and 137 helicopters, 1,534 unmanned area vehicles, 354 anti-aircraft missile system, 4,050 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 744 multiple rocket launcher system, 3,145 field artillery and mortars, and 4,292 units of the special military vehicles was destroyed during the operation. Ukraine also reported the Russian losses updated on 141st day. Russia lost 219 aircraft, 188 helicopters, 1,667 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 247 multiple rocket launcher system, 2,720 vehicles, fuel tanks, and 681 unmanned aerial vehicles and 15 boats.